Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Brackets Academy, and today we're going to be working with creating and deleting files in PHP. Okay, so what we're going to start off by doing is we're going to just make a form in HTML, and it looks like this. So basically, this is one way of posting data to a PHP file. There's plenty of other things you can do, like Ajax, and if you want, I'll do a video on that, but for now we're just going to stick with this. So it's important that we have the method, which we're going to use post. You can either use post or get for this. Post is the best, I think. And the action, which is going to be the name of your PHP file, which if you look is script.php. And the other important thing is that you give your text inputs a name. That way you can get them in PHP. Just quit out of it. Okay. So what you're going to want to do is first grab what you typed in. So let's just make a variable called file, and we'll set it equal to the post for file. And again, file is the name that we gave this input. So now if we go ahead and echo file, you'll see that when we do this, it'll let us know the variable. Alright, we also go to script.php when we submit the form. Okay, so now it's moving on. Let's go ahead and make it. And I'm going to put this in an if-else just in case something goes wrong. So if it doesn't work, it's going to echo false, but if it is, it's going to say file, and then we'll do file created. So this will just be a way of letting people know that the file was created. Okay, then we want to go in here and we want to do fopen file, and then we want to go ahead and put in a W, which means that you can write it. But we also, PHP asks for the whole path. Right now we're just giving it a name. So if we just give it a name, it's not going to know where to put it, and it's going to fail and say false. I'm actually going to make this say failed. Okay, so what we want to do is we're going to get the current working directory. So to do this, we're going to do get current working directory, and then we're going to put on our directory separator. Okay, and I may have spelled that wrong, but yeah. So this will get the directory that we're in right now, which is our files directory. So let's go ahead and refresh, and we'll type in hello.php, and we'll spell hello wrong, and we'll click run, and yeah, it looks like I spelled it wrong. Okay, this is a constant, just figure out how to spell separator right. Alright, I'm on localhost, so I have a backslash, but I gotta do 2 because it's an escape character. Alright, let's go back and let's run it again. And it says file hello.php created, and if we go into here, you see hello.php. So this is a great way to create files using PHP. And so now let's work with deleting them. So if we want to delete them, let's just go ahead and comment this stuff out. Actually, we'll leave file. Comment this stuff out. And then what you want to do is we'll do the same thing with the if and the else. And we'll just copy this. And here we will copy this. Okay, and then let's go ahead and do the same thing, except it's going to be a different function. So this time we want to change this fopen to unlink. Oops. And this will delete our file. So if we go in here and we type in hello.php and submit it, hello.php was deleted and our file is gone. This is a very simple video. We'll get back to the portfolio later. I made the font bigger on this so everyone can see it better. Hopefully that's helpful. Thank you guys for watching. I post videos Wednesdays, Sundays, and Saturdays. See you next time.